How to comment on photo in TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can comment with photos in TikTok. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up a video. It can be any video you want. Let's take this video for example. Click on the comment button, all right? And let's say you want to, comment or reply to this guy right here. Then you hit the reply button and then you have this camera icon right here. So what you want to do is click on the camera icon, and then what you want to do is just switch over to photos and click a photo, snap a photo, whatever it is that you want to do. Just click a photo or upload your own photo from your gallery, and then just add in a sound, original sound. You can go with the template, sticker over here, go with the sticker, whatever it is that you want, and then just simply hit OK, and you are good to go. And that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you comment on photos in TikTok. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.